If you're at all interested in woodworking, Rockler Woodworking and Hardware is the place to go because there is a wide selection of proprietary products that you can only get available here at Rockler. So today I've come to check out the selection and learn about them with Mike Durlak, the general manager. And these products are incredible and they're unique to Rockler. So how is that?
Well, they are exclusive products for us. We're fortunate to have what I think is really the most talented team of product development people in the whole woodworking industry.
And I think everyone will agree after we learn a little bit more about these products. They're really ingenious.
They are. I mean, some things that really help you do stuff faster, simpler, and much, much safer than you can do without the jigs themselves.
Which is great because there's a lot of, unfortunately, there is a lot of danger when it comes to woodworking. You have to really know what you're doing. And some of these tools and these products make it so much easier, like you said, safer. So what is this right in front of us?
This is really nice. This is a thing we've had out very recently. And one of the biggest issues is when you're putting a case together or you're making a box, you want to make it decorative, is how to make it look a little bit different.
Okay.
And make it easier to assemble. And you can use simple wooden dowels to highlight your corners and your joinery on these, and you have 3 different sizes to select from. And the key thing is to have an easy way to drill that and make it consistently nice.
Yes.
And come out nice.
Because you might be able to make one side nice on your own, but as soon as you
Right.
go to replicate that around the corners of the box, that's where this tool comes in.
Yeah, and it's real simple. Once this is set up and you select the right size, you simply drill through with your hole, with your drill bit into the hole, take it off, and insert a dowel, cut it off and sand it, and you have really a beautiful accentuated joint.
So these are really designed to save you a lot of time as well.
Right.
What are some other examples of the products that we can see on this table?
Well, a lot of ones is really simple, just like this clamp. If you're putting some wood on the edge of a shelf and decorative, and you want to make it look nice, it's very difficult to hold it on. But with these, it's very simple because this is a little elastic band. You put this on, put a little bit of pressure, and this is going to stay in place while you're either nailing it on or while your glue is setting up.
Show me one more.
Okay. And for a lot of woodworkers, when they're mounting drawer fronts to their cabinets, this is really difficult to do. They slide all over the place. You just can't get them right the first time. People try double stick tape, all kinds of different things that really don't work. This simple jig will hold the face up to your drawer, will get you exactly where it needs to be, and allows you to fix it.
Thanks so much, Mike. So for whatever you need for your woodworking projects, you want to check out the exclusive line of products available here at Rockler.